It's right now it is coming.
Yeah, I'm recording it.
Okay. So, good evening, everyone. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Afghanish. Today, I will be presenting you a presentation that I made based on a paper. The paper's name is that is specification of the major factors in plug-in electric vehicle driving pattern and charging behavior. So,
Uh,
let's start.
it's Nadeem.
Yes, sir.
Can you hear me? I'm telling that this sound is audio is very low. Could you increase it? Bit
Sir,
louder, bit louder.
this is
You
sir,
speak.
this is fine.
Everybody, are you listening properly?
No.
A bit louder. Speak a bit louder.
Bit, speaker bit louder. Means keep your
Okay, sir.
mic close to your mouth, so it would. I think it would be better.
Sir, is now all right?
Hi, right now it's okay. Is it everybody
Okay.
okay with this particular voice quality?
Yes, sir.
No.
Okay, it's
Okay,
now
fine.
okay. Okay, fine. Okay, you start. No problem.
So this paper, this paper is on electric vehicle driver recharging behaviors and charging patterns, and presents the major technical, environmental, and economical factors that we see. To the next slide. Now, EV is the new trend. As we can see around us, electric vehicles are becoming more and more common. All major vehicle manufacturers are trying out their hands on electric vehicles. And possibly in the coming future, we can see enormous fleets of electric vehicles around the world. Now, that is a very possible outcome. But before that happens, we need to predict the penetration rate. Now, what is penetration rate? It is nothing but the percentage of your target market that you reach with a product. Let me repeat. Penetration rate is nothing but the percentage of your target market that you reach with a product period of time. So, if the EV penetration rates are high, it will have enormous social, economic, and environmental benefits. It will also reduce the country's dependency on it, right? But everything comes with a catch, right? Everything has its own consequences. So suppose if all of a sudden electric vehicles are made abundant around us, then it will lead to an enormous electric vehicle take-up rates. Now, EV take-up rates at any point can present a huge challenge upon existing electrical infrastructure. Rapid increase may exert huge pressure on existing electrical grids. Moreover, the recharging behavior is also a very important factor when it comes to electric vehicles. Recharging of electric vehicles will have its own challenges. What if suppose a large number of people start to charge their vehicles at the same time? Then what will happen? The pressure on electrical grid will be enormous, resulting in a failure. Now, moving on to driving behavior, the recharging pattern more or less partly depends upon the driving behavior of the electric drivers. Now, everything can be managed if it is carefully planned and then executed, right? And to plan, we need to predict. Hence, prediction. It is very important to predict the recharging behavior as well as the driving pattern. Moving on to the next slide, the factors influencing charging strategy and driving pattern. According to the paper, there are three. The first one is transport domain, second one is technology domain, third one is power system domain. Moving on, let's discuss the first factor, projected penetration, high dependency on fossil fuels. Now, currently, the world is highly dependent on fossil fuels for the transportation system. Oil holds major social, economic, and environmental risk. ICEVs, that is internal combustion vehicles. These are the cars that we see around us, like mostly. These cars purely run on oil. And the next is hybrid electrical vehicles. ICEVs and HEVs are dominating the market. Studies have shown that the electric vehicle take-up rates are likely to be non-linear. These are currently at low levels, which means that at this stage it is difficult to predict future penetration rates. Next, we come to recharging infrastructure. Now, EV type locations of EV recharging infrastructure are likely to be critical determinants for EV market development. The location of charging stations will influence the driving pattern, hence energy consumption. For example, fast charging stations may encourage the drivers to go on longer journeys. Coming to the second point, Tokyo Electric Power Company or TEPCO conducted a study in 2009. The results suggested that the availability of fast charging stations will be essential in successful development of electric vehicles to a massive effect on user behavior. It was observed that electric vehicle drivers standard recharging stations returned with average 50% of the charge. But when using fast chargers, electric vehicle users came back with much less charge remaining in the battery, and also that driving distances increased. What does this mean? This means that reduced reduced time consumption charging encourages and enables driver to go on longer journeys to travel more distances without charging. Moving on, here on the screen we have two pictures or two tables. Now, the SAE and the IEC, that is the Society of Automobile International Electrotechnical Commission, have laid out charging infrastructure standards. Now, as you can see, the first picture or the first table will show you the SAE standards. Here, there are three charging levels: level 1, level 2, and level 3. Level 1 and level 2 is restricted for residential and commercial purposes, whereas level 3 is purely for commercial purposes. Now, the picture given below that will show you the IEC standards. Here in IEC standards, there are four modes: mode 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, mode 1 to 4 support on-board charging, whereas Mode 4 support off-board charging. Now, moving on, we come to the second domain, that is the vehicle technology battery system. Batteries have a key role in electric vehicle performance, right? But they run on battery. Now, there are two main components an electric vehicle's battery system. First one is the battery pack. The second one is the battery system. And now what is the BMS is the control unit of the battery pack. Like computers, we have the CPU, which is inside the CPU that controls everything. Here, similarly, BMS is the control unit. It constantly controls the functionality, charge of the battery cells, monitors the state of the battery's charge, predicts the actual amount of energy delivered by the load. Moving on to the second point, that is the battery pack. Any PV that is plugged in electric vehicles. EV is a general term in which hybrid electric vehicles and pure electric vehicles come. So, in any PEV architecture, battery plays a prominent role. Commercial success of any PEV depends upon development of appropriate battery technology. If the battery is not good enough, car itself will sell, right? The next point is the battery system. The key characteristics of a battery are energy density, power density, lifetime, safety, or paper. Now, what is energy density? Energy density is but the measure of how much energy comes to per mass of power density, uh, amount of power the battery can deliver per mass without causing harm to the battery. Third term is lifetime. A battery life is a measure of battery performance and longevity. Moving on to the last term, that is safety. Condition of being protected from out of tolerance of meeting criteria such as high voltage, thermal radiation, and battery cost. Battery cost is the initial factor affecting commercial deployment. Next slide, where you see charging system. To understand the process of charging an electric vehicle and to assess the charging strategy of an electric vehicle, we need to have an in-depth knowledge of the safest transfer of electricity to electric vehicle and the source, right? Hence ETS, that is Energy Transfer System. ETS refers to the transfer of electrical energy from electricity supply network to vehicle. It is responsible for three main functions. The first function determine when the vehicle and the electric vehicle supply equipment are ready for the transfer. The second function is to switch and convert AC electrical power to DC. And lastly, the third function is to control the transfer of the vehicle. Last, the power system. Now, the major concern associated with a large-scale integration of the electric vehicles into power supply system, potential impact on peak demand that may result from EV charging. Now, like I said earlier, if suppose the owners decided to charge their vehicles with peak power, this will result in enormous load on the electric grid. Now, to after that, the first thing you should do is to shift charging time slot when the demand of power is low on the right. Studies have shown that recharging behavior can be controlled by encouraging electric vehicle owners to charge their vehicle during off-peak hours by introducing incentives. Now, it is critical understanding of the consumer preference and to change the consumer behavior, creative use of incentives by the utilities and the service providers to provide better managed potential impact. Next slide. Investigation and analysis of interaction of the factors. A number of electric vehicle trial projects have been undertaken in different years. As you can see, there is a table which you can see a few countries a year that electric vehicle trial project started in a consistent finding. These trials has been that positive factors that participants focus on are economic, comfort, and environmental, while the negative factors that they focus on are range limitations, recharging time, higher purchase costs. Limited range of electric vehicles has been found a major concern for
Yes.
electric vehicle users, like battery performance. Battery performance is a concern. Several researchers say that the current capacity is sufficient to driving. Recent development of battery technologies have allowed greater use of total amount of energy in battery. The most dominant battery lithium ion nickel metal hydride. Lithium ion battery has the highest energy density among the entire rechargeable cell connections. In terms of the development of lithium ion battery, for thermal management. charging infrastructure is also a factor based on the proposed project trials data. Analytical results show that majority of drivers were able to get without a public charging, but that a considerable portion of drivers didn't convince that a public charging sites are essential. According to the leading providers of electrical car charging infrastructure, installing charging stations in a network can provide alternative options for electric vehicle users, that electric vehicle drivers travel further, charge their vehicles more often at public locations, and more likely charge at night. Over popular time to charge a vehicle has been found. Now we come to the last part of our presentation, case study. Case study was conducted in 2010. A plug-in electric vehicle charging trial was launched in Perth, Western Australia, with 11 electric vehicles and charging stations. This project, conducted by the University of Western Australia's Vehicle Project, that partnered with 11 Western Australia's based organizations, has deployed 11 converted Ford Focus sedans and 23 level 2 charging outlets distributed across the Greater Perth area. This means that 23 cars that, sorry, this means that 11 cars that ran from all were converted to electric vehicles and 23 level 2 AC charging outlets distributed among the urban area. Now, the UWA collected and analyzed electronic data of vehicles and statistics for the purpose of evaluation and statistical analysis. The element of data consists of location, time, movement, charging patterns, as well as vehicle. Driving data are collected from each participating Ford Focus sedan, chargers, and charging stations via a telematic system. All vehicles are equipped with GPS tracking. The management of the power supply includes for one, energy consumption of electric vehicles. Second, where the vehicle is charged. Third, when the vehicle is charged. Fourth, power consumption of the vehicle. Observed results. Now, in the left chart, you see the total distance traveled by the vehicle in 6 months. Right chart, you see distribution of tip distance. Now, this shows the right chart shows that over half of it was less than 5. Here, you see the left chart shows the charging behavior of statistics of participating trial. The distribution of the average number of charging events performed per day during each vehicle. Now, as you can see, the charging summary statistics table in 10. The total number of charging events was 3357. The total power consumed was 4341665 kilowatts. The number of transactions was 342. The mean charging time was 2 hours. So the mean of charging time, energy usage. Okay, now let's conclude. Improvement in technology by themselves are likely to be. What does this mean? This means that we cannot depend on the technology to immediately crack up as a solution for all the problems. It will therefore be necessary to encourage adoption of electric vehicles, follow good driving behavior. We will need to raise awareness and follow a standard driving practice. Lastly, last point states that the timing of EV recharging behavior is the most vital factor followed by the location of the vehicle. charging status, as we saw in the case study itself. This is to conclude the PPT. So,
Um, mm, Let me ask you some question. I have some particular question. If you just open that particular slide once again, I could have some
which
particular
slide?
question.
This one, sir.
Means no, that battery
So, just a
means
second.
just you go in the battery portion and make it.
So this one, back.
No, just go before that battery performance. Before that, just few more slides ago. Power system domain. Okay, you go. Means it is a very earlier one. I could get that. It's not showing. Means it's not showing at my end.
अच्छा सर जैसा सर
एक बार मतलब वो जो दिखाओ.
हाँ सर फिर से शेयर कर रहे हैं एक्चुअली कॉल आ
फिर से
गया
शेयर करो. हाँ हाँ हाँ.
सर नाउ इज इट विजिबल सर
हम्म. हाँ हाँ, यहाँ यहाँ जो तुमने लिखा है, this one, the means key characteristics of a battery. Okay. I have a question. Means what exactly we mean by energy density and power density?
सर लाइक आई सेड इन द
Hello.
हेलो
हाँ बोलो.
हाँ सर लाइक आई सेड इन द डेफिनेशन itself every time
We couldn't hear you properly.
sir now am I audible sir
हाँ, yes.
so like I said in the definition itself how much per mass of the
No, we cannot hear you properly. Means what you are telling, that is actually at the starting it is okay, but then it is hazy. Is it? Are you using means your this
headphones sir
headphone you are using? Okay, still it is some particular problem. Okay,
so
no
wait
problem.
sir I'll change headphones. Hello
Ah, now
sir
it is
now
audible.
am I audible okay sir
It is absolutely
sir.
audible.
Okay, sir. Sir, like I said, sir, energy density is the measure of how much energy that can be stored per mass of the battery,
Okay.
and power density is the amount of power that you can dissipate to the load without causing harm to the battery per mass. That is the difference
Means it's
between
still not
energy
clear.
density and power.
Energy density means per unit mass of that particular battery. How much energy is
How much
over
energy that can be stored per unit mass of the battery, whereas power
there? Okay.
density
Our power density
is the amount of power that you can deliver per mass of the battery without causing any
means
harm
let
to
me
the battery itself.
clear it. Means energy means what exactly you are basically able to keep the energy inside the battery.
Yes,
Power
sir. Yes,
density is deliverable. Is it
yes,
like
sir.
that?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, that means say for example, some particular amount of energy I have already kept over there. Okay, but it is up to what maximum you can deliver. That is actually your power density per unit mass.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And that
That's
too
the
without
difference.
harming the battery itself.
Yes, definitely. We all know that if we basically discharge the battery up to some particular certain extent, definitely it would damage the battery. I mean, if you just
Yes, sir.
run out all the energy from the battery, then definitely it would damage the battery. So what exactly we do if a particular level of the level is reached, means up to it is depleted up to some particular level, then definitely we go for the recharging. Means what we
Yes,
do
sir. Yes, sir.
actually in our mobile phone also. Say for example, it is 10%. We definitely do not use that particular mobile phone. We go for the charging. That is what
Sir,
actually
that
is happening.
depends upon the user itself, sir. Like Sometimes
Yes,
you
that
use
it
it.
depends on the user itself. Somebody do in the 10%, somebody do in the 20%. That is different.
Yes, sir.
But I'm basically telling that it is some
In
particular thing that
in
why
general,
in
yeah.
general you do means if you just go, I mean, if you have basically your energy amount is basically depleted, you just go for the recharging. So that's why this energy density and power density is basically coming into this particular picture. That means up to what actually they are basically using the energy means up to what the battery is capable to give you the energy. That is what actually I'm getting
And
from
sir,
here.
moreover, sir, आपका power loss भी तो होता है, sir, when you
Hmm.
deliver the
Hmm.
power, sir, to the load.
Yes, 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 yes. Okay, fine. And okay, means if anybody having any other question, they can he or she can ask over here. Any question?
And guys, this was the first time that I delivered a PPT. So अगर कुछ भी खराब हुआ हो तो please don't judge.
No, actually, what exactly I will be telling when actually you came up with this particular speaker. Now it is actually audible. So sometimes I think we were not able to means listen you properly. That's why this particular delivery of that this particular PPT actually what you have delivered to us not actually audible properly. Now you are audible. Okay.
अरे सर आप तब
Uh,
बोलते हैं ना सर पूरा.
so actually in that time you have started. Now that's why I haven't stopped you. Okay.
So you should have
Shobhajit, any
interrupted.
question?
Sir,
Any question?
I am sir. Actually, I have very little knowledge about the battery system, so I still could not understand the main objective of the uh, paper. Means I was not able
Main
to.
objective of the war.
Yeah,
Understand. And Nadeem, will you be explaining once more that what is the objective of this
just the
work? Means
objective.
goal, just the objective.
So objective, it's basically, sir, just a second. Let me collect my thoughts. So it is to study the charging patterns of electric vehicle drivers and factors affecting it. And sir, also to gain knowledge about the current electrical infrastructure and to study about the impact of driving behavior of electric vehicles and their electrical architecture, sir. That is what
Hmm.
basically I think
Means
it is.
in short, if you just tell the 2 points, 2 or 3 points, means what exactly you'll be telling. Means it's basically to study that what kind of infrastructure is required based on the electric vehicle. If
Yes,
you're
sir.
basically planning.
And moreover, the architecture of the moreover, sir, the electrical architecture of the electric vehicle itself, sir. How it behaves, what are the
Okay.
drawbacks, what are the plus points, etc., etc.
Okay.
Is there any study you made? I just one question. Is there any study you made? Means since you have included the battery cost, and it's an important crucial factor
Sorry,
affecting commercial.
sorry,
Yeah.
I
Is there
didn't hear
any
you.
economic impact? Means is there any economic impact caused due to the battery cost? Means for uh, electric vehicles, because electric vehicles are becoming much more and more popular, so the use of electric vehicle could impact the economic values of other kinds of vehicles, so that's why
See, if electric vehicles are made more abundant,
yeah.
and moreover, see, the government is also like what just a second. See, government is also supporting you for buying electric vehicles by introducing incentives, right? So, and moreover, if you buy an electric vehicle, you impact the environment directly.
Hmm.
Electric vehicle means you will be using electricity, which causes far less pollution than using the fossil fuels, right?
Yeah, sure.
So there's environmental, so there's social, and then economic in the sense, right? If you use EV, then the market of ICEVs and HEVs will be directly affected,
Hmm.
right?
Yeah.
Okay. I should say in this particular situation one thing that electric vehicle means infrastructure is the most important one in this situation
Yes, sir.
to start this means if you want that much more penetration of the electric vehicle in the market means means right now we have the IC EV engines are there over there. Means the most of the vehicles are actually using the fossil fuel whatever. And if you are basically going for this electric vehicle vehicle in much more in this transport system, definitely it would lower down the carbon dioxide or carbon monoxide. Carbon depletion will definitely be there. But one thing in the other end also, that if you just basically go for this charging procedure, means you require also some electricity, right? So
Sir,
that
that we
one,
require, sir. See, electricity is produced from the fossil fuels itself. That we
yes,
know. But sir, that process and the burning of fossil fuels in ICEVs, that produces much more pollution than that of making electricity, sir.
okay, fine, very good. Means they have studied on regarding that how electric vehicle can be penetrated much more on the means on the basis of that infrastructure, what kind of infrastructure are required,
Yes, sir.
or how the chargings are required, means according to their means driver behavior. They are basically trying to get all those things. Okay, fine, no problem. Time we will be getting much more better presentation from your end. Okay, and this is
Okay, sir.
actually the start. Definitely will do good. Okay, ठीक है.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
fine. So thank you for this particular meeting. Okay, and just attending this particular PPT. Okay, everybody, thank you everybody. So we will if we have some regular session in this particular way in Monday, if we have every Monday if we have, so different speaker will be coming over here and definitely they will be presenting. Okay, thank you for this. Okay,
Thank
bye.
you, sir.
Okay.